Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Marisa Aprianti Wulandari. I'm from Accounting Major in Faculty of Economics at Jakarta State University. Thank you for opportunity that has been given to me to present my research proposal with the title The Effect of Local Original Revenue, General Allocation Fund, and Special Allocation Fund on Regional Expenditure in Provincial Government in Indonesia during 2017 until 2018. Let's discuss my research proposal that I will presentation. Chapter 1, Preliminary. In Indonesia applies autonomy area. Government area demand for doing function and role corresponding authority management finance area with aim called upgrade economy area and well-being people. Source fund local government obtain from government center. From fund balance is general allocation fund, special allocation fund, and profit sharing funds. And from area that alone from local original revenue, financing, and other legitimate income. On year 2017, that happened, misappropriation fund social assistance in Tasikmalaya Regency with loss country to 3.9 billion rupiah. On year 2018, that happened regional expenditure management show is there potentially overpaid for a job on 80 local government, waste or expensive price on 16 local government, not planned activities on 17 local government. The local government budget on DKI Jakarta more big use for employee need area is 70%. Then for infrastructure and needs public is 30%. Other phenomena that happen is income area in Purwakarta Regency on year 2018 decrease because reception tax area not reach target, so that allocation budget for program development infrastructure force minus. Reserve Examination Report APBD Fiscal Year 2018 on Accountability Ban Parpol show fund Ban Parpol not be prioritas for education political, and report accountability on Ban Parpol not same with total fund that distributed by local government. On year 2017, there is 18 local government that not allocate DAK in health sector, while in year 2018 there is 21 local government. Formulation of the problem in this research is local original revenue, general allocation fund, special allocation fund have effect on regional expenditure in provincial government in Indonesia during years 2017 until 2018. Objective of this research is to get new empirical evidence of related in influence local original revenue, general allocation funds, and special allocation funds to regional expenditure. The sense of this research is object research that use different from research purpose that is government area province in Indonesia. Time research differs from previous research that is years 2017 until 18. Unit analysis different from research purpose that is use report of realization APBD government province in Indonesia years 2017 until 18, which has been audited by BPK. Chapter 2, Theoretical Review. This research used agency theory. Jensen and McLean defined that theory agency is a theory that explains there is relationship between two parties in taking decision, that is side of principle, or that give authority with party of agent, or that given trust. Relationship of agency between executive as agent, that is head area, with legislative as principal, that is DPRD. Will happen because public chose DPRD as representative people in making decisions on allocation budget, regional expenditure. Regional expenditure is estimate lot spending expense area that allocate in manner fair and equally, so that could enjoy by all over layer public without is their discrimination, in particular in giving service general. Nurdiawan Iswahyudi and Maulida explain income area is all over reception money through regional cash account. That is will at equity fund becomes regional right on one budget year and not need paid back. Consists of from local tax, distribution area, the process from management of spared regional asset, and other legitimate local original revenue. General Allocation Fund is a fund that sources from income state budget allocated to local government, province, and district or city, with an equalization ability finance between region, finance needs area, and implementation decentralization. The AU is allocated on the basis of JEP fiscal and allocation basis. Special Allocation Fund is a fund that every year set in state budget for allocate to local government corresponding with criteria term is general, special, and technical, with aim for help fund activities, special affair, and program area that becomes national priority. Research of Tailufa and Subsidiarity and research of Ferdiansa, Dwi and Salma research that PAD on increase will upgrade regional expenditure. But research of Wahyuni and Indrian research that big or small of PAD obtain not take effect to regional expenditure. That issue. Research of Dewi and research of Wahyudi and Indrian research that the AU increase will upgrade regional expenditure. But research of Riansyah, Dwi and Salma research that if the AU become reception, regional, and a source income must be only used for spending routine for salary employee. It does not will take effect to regional expenditure. Research of Nailfar and Subtrianti research that if happen increase of the DAK, then will influence on regional expenditure too. But research of Dewi research that the DAK does not influence to regional expenditure. Based on theoretical framework has described hypotheses from this research are local original revenue, general allocation funds, and special allocation fund have effect on regional expenditure. Chapter 3 Research Methodology. Time of this research is year on 2017 until 2018. Place of this research at BPK Republik Indonesia to get LKPD of local government province. This method research use quantitative data and data sourced from secondary data. Population in this research is a provincial government in Indonesia period year 2017 until 2018. Criteria of sample in this research that are government area province that has published statement of financial regional government on year 2017 until 2018. LKPD of government area province that has audit by BPK. Government area province that reserve budget DAU and DAK. Indicator from regional expenditure count from total direct expenditure and indirect expenditure. Indicator from PAD is totally of local tax, retribution area, the process from management of separate regional asset, and other legitimate local original revenue. Indicator from DAU and DAK is amount of DAU and DAK already set by government center and access in statement of APBD realization. Data collect through document, then take note and calculate data related with variable research that is local original revenue, general allocation fund, and special allocation fund, and regional expenditure both in realization of APBD province in Indonesia year 2017 until 2018. Data analysis technique in this research are statistic descriptive, classical assumption test, multiple regression analysis, and hypothesis test. Statistic descriptive use for give description or an overview about characteristic data research seen from score average or mean, standard deviation, variance, maximum, minimum, sum, range, kurtoris, and skewness. Classical assumption test, there are normality test, multicollinearity test, heteroscedasticity test, and autocorrelation test. Normality test use Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. Multicollinearity test to scene of the tolerance and variance in inflation factor. If the tolerance value is more than 0.10 and the FIV value is less than 10, the regression model is free from multicollinearity indication. Heteroscedasticity test using Glaser test. If the significant value of the independent variable to the absolute residual statistical value at equals 0.05, then the regression model does not contain heteroscedasticity. Autocorrelation test use run test. Run test for see if the residual data occurs systematically or random. Multiple regression analysis for knowing influence between one or some variable to one variable, between variable independent to variable dependent. Hypothesis test use t-test for partial test, f-test for simultaneous test, and coefficient partial determinant test. On t-test for partial test, if probability t more than 0.05, then hypothesis 0 reject. If probability t less than 0.05, then hypothesis 0 reject. On if test for simultaneous, if the probability of error rate fcon less than 5%, then hypothesis 0 is reject and hypothesis A reject. If the probability of error rate fcon more than 5%, then hypothesis 0 is accepted and hypothesis E is rejected. On coefficient partial determinant test, seen at edges r square is 2. And that's bring us to the final my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.